it's me, Kitty, on the Keto Show. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a wing sticker and Malacca, kinda. You can use a toilet paper roll, a paper towel, or a wrapping paper roll. So yeah, the meaning one of those, rice, scissors, duct tape, and nails. So first of all, get your duct tape. So just get it. So I got my funnel, put it in there. Yeah, that works a lot better. I'm like overflowing right now. It's really heavy. And just give it some space, make sure it doesn't it's not close to me. Overflow. So I'm gonna clean up my mess. So I kind of clean it up my mess and kind of not. So get your nails and and then just poke them in there. Your nails in there, just like, it doesn't really matter where you poke it. Just poke it anyway, like in the duct tape. It goes to went through the duct tape. So keep on doing it, and I'll see you when you finish. I'm just putting all the nails in. And if you did a paper towel, I'd probably take 10 to 20 for a big roll. A wrapping paper roll, probably take around 50 to 100. So yeah, put all that in. And it's okay if you have nails on the top where there's no rice. Just pour in some rice on top. So, just want to cover basically all the nails with the rice and stuff. So yeah. Then with your duct tape, do the same thing I did at the bottom. Make sure they're all in nicely, or some. It doesn't really matter if they're not like in all the way. You just want them to be in, not in half the way. So and all of this would probably cost around $1. Or you could, like the duct tape you could get from the dollar store, that costs $1. This you would just have it found around your house. And rice, you would probably have rice around your house. So yeah. And you don't have to use like colorful duct tape. You can use gray. I didn't gray duct tape. I like the color and how it looks and stuff, but you don't need to have it like that. Like that. So wrap the duct tape around to make it look beautiful, and so then the nails don't come out. And then I can hear the birds chirping. So, and now shake it as hard as you can. Make sure it's the kid who's shaking it as hard as you can. And make sure no rice is coming out. And you can feel the rice too. So, yeah. I've never done it, I'm just guessing. So, you can do a cup song with it too. So yeah, Malacca. So yeah, it's crunchy. Make sure the name. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Malacca. Leave a like and rock a subscribe. And do comments below. And do comments below. And do comments below. And do comments below. And do comments below.